जय श्रीमन्नारायण. Aranyakanda. He went into so many forests in searching for Sita. He went to almost all the rivers around there for searching for Sita. He went into all mountains in searching for Sita. He went to all the ponds and almost all the forests around there in searching for Sita. Nowhere Sita is seen. In such a huge dense forest, Ramabhadra searched for Sita everywhere. Nowhere Sita is seen. Avishti Asahas Chakara Margane. Ramachandra Swami did not get tired of searching for Sita. Ramachandra Swami did not lose his hopes. He still trying to search for Sita. Punaha Priyayaha Paramam Parishramam. He is not tired. He is going here and there and searching for Sita. And Uvacha Ramaha Prakruscha Ruchirau Bhujau. He is lifting his hands in that big dense forest, and while saying Sita, Sita, like that, Ramachandra Swami is crying in the middle of such a huge dense forest. Immediately again he is turning towards Lakshmana and asking that, Lakshmana, did you see Sita? Vaidehi Kamvadesam Itogata. Have you seen Sita? Where she is gone? Oh Lakshmana, Kena Hrutava. Do you think that somebody killed Sita? Bhakshita Kenava Priya. Lakshmana, do you think that these demons might have already killed and ate Sita? Like that he is asking Lakshmana and again taking name of Sita, Sita, like that. He is also thinking that, he is also saying that, Sita, probably you are hiding behind these trees and you are making fun of me. Please, my heart and mind is completely filled up with so much of grief. I cannot take this fun anymore. Please come out. Do not hide anymore. Do not hide from me anymore. Sita, do you see all these small beautiful deers with whom you always used to play? And all these deers are most beloved deers and they like you so much. Because now you are not seen anywhere, even all these deers also, their eyes are filled up with tears. Please come back, Sita. Please do not hide behind anymore. Please come back, Sita. Like that, Ramachandra Swami, while crying, he is thinking that Sitama is somewhere hiding, and he is again taking Sitama's name. He is lifting his hands and crying a lot in that middle of big forest. Ramachandra Swami saying to Lakshmana, "Ho Lakshmana, Sitaya rahitoham vai nahi jivami." Lakshmana, without Sita I cannot be alive. Oh Lakshmana, if Sita is not there with me, with so much of grief, if I die, I will go to Dasaratha Maharaju in other world. There, Dasaratha Maharaj, my father, would definitely accuse me because he would ask me, I asked you to do 14 years of Aranyavasam. You said you gave a word that you would do that, but you did not finish your Aranyavasam. You came here now. Like this, my father Dasaratha Maharaju would not be happy with me even in that world. Oh Lakshmana, I cannot be alive without Sita. Like this, Rama is saying to Lakshmana, and again immediately remembering Sita and saying that, Oh Sita, Oh Sundari, Soka Santaptam Deenam, I am drowned in this huge grief. I am totally lost. Oh Sita, none of my wishes got fulfilled so far. Oh Sita, please come back to me. At least in this tough time, you have to be with me. Oh Sita, please do not go away from me. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. రామ రామ దశరథ రామ 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 దశరథ రామ హే హే రాజా రామ హే హే రాజా రామ హే హే సీతారామ హే హే సీతారామ. Jai Srimanarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimanarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimanarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana.